Hi friends, in this video I will be showing can I turn off HDCP protection in Google TV Streamer 4K device. See, here I have connected this Google TV Streamer 4K device to laptop. Then I have opened this OBS Studio, but I am seeing this. This is the output I am getting. HDCP protection. See, here I am using this AV Media video capture card, but still I am getting this error HDCP protection. So I have checked this Google TV Streamer 4K device, but I could not find an option to turn off this protection. So by default, this protection has been enabled. Instead of this AV Media capture card, I also tested this Box video capture unit. With this video capture unit, I could able to see the content from this Google TV streamer. So I will show you that. Let me remove this cable from the AV Media, then connect to Box, then connect this to laptop. Let me connect to laptop. Okay, done. Then here in the sources, I am going to create another source. Click on this plus icon. From this list, select video capture device. Video capture device 2. You can rename this if you want. Then click OK. Then click on this device drop down. Here from this list, let me select USB 3.0 capture. Then select OK. See, this is the output. So let me switch to full screen. See, so instead of this AV Media capture card, if you use this Box, so that way we can bypass that protection. At least you could be able to see the content from Google TV Streamer 4K device in OBS Studio. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.